In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make bold text in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, then go to chats, and after that open up some conversation or group chat. After that we can enter any text in that text box, and all we have to do to make this text bold is just enter asterisk symbol at the start and at the end of this text. So in this way we can make this text bold. As you can see, it is already turned to bold, and if we send this text here we can see that is bold actually. That's how you can easily make text bold in WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.